Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel from scratch, and you're going to get value from this video if you watch till the end. So let's go. So today we are going to be working with a set of checklists. I'm going to show you how step by step on how to create a YouTube channel. So we're going to be going through this checklist one after the other. So the first thing is to have a Google account. You can have a Google account. After you have a Google account, you verify your Google account. Then the second thing is to verify your number, put a banner, an image, and all blah blah blah. So let's see. The next thing is to go to, now provided you've done all these things, I know probably many of you that are watching would have done all these things. You go to google.com, create a Google account, follow the prompts, turn on two-step verification for security, and the next thing you need to do is to just visit youtube.com and sign in. So that is what we are going to do right now. So let's us do that. So I am going to go to my youtube.com. I'm just going to, so let's go youtube.com. So this is going to bring me to this place, and there's nothing signed in. So I'm going to click on sign in, and I'm going to click on this one. Let me see if I have an account here. So this is my email, said I should sign in. So I'm just signing in with this. Now they're asking for some specific details. I'm going to skip this because of this video. I'm just going to skip all these ones. So yes, so it has brought me here. So I think this channel has already been created automatically. The channel has already been created. So what I need to do right now is, let's go and see our checklist. Let's go to our checklist and see what next to do. So the next thing is to choose a profile picture and create a channel. Click the profile picture, then create a channel. Choose personal blah blah custom. So let me click on this. I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to view channel. You can see everything is empty. So this is how we need to start. So firstly, if you don't have a profile picture, all you just need to do is to click here and select a profile picture, and it will take you straight to the YouTube studio automatically. Once you're using a laptop, it's going to take you straight to the YouTube studio, and you say welcome to YouTube studio blah blah blah. So we are going to do all this right now. So to mandate that we create a banner, we create a lot of banners and all. So you can see we are going to be doing this one in the next video, whereby we are going to create a banner. What is banner? Banner is just like, banner is just the, let me show you what banner is. youtube.com. Let me use a random channel and show you what banner is. So okay, let's use our channel. So a banner is that thing that you see. Okay, this one. Let's go back to my second channel. So this is what banner is. This thing here that says subscribe, or Susie subscribe, and XYZ. That's what banner is. So this is my second channel. So this one, we're just going to go here, and if you want to change the picture, if you want to, this is where you do all this. So since we are here, let us start doing all the things we need to do. So the first thing we need to do is our name. So the name of this channel is going to be Life of Boss Uzi. Let me change it to Life of Boss Uzi. Life of Boss Uzi. So then I'm just going to change the username to, maybe I'm going to change the username to at Life of Boss Uzi. Life of Boss Uzi. Yes. So this is going to be like a comic, a biography channel, or something just like a flex channel whereby I just come and drop my thoughts and all, although the goal is monetization. So this is exactly, so in the description, all you need to do right now is to write a description, and you can use ChatGPT or you can use your head, but I'm going to use my head. So we are going to draft out the first draft. This is a lifestyle channel to show you my day, my to show you what a day, what days in my life look like. So let's just leave it like that. If you want to elaborate on it, you just copy and use AI to like expand it. So there's also space for adding website or whatever. So if you have links you want to add, you can just add it. So I'm just going to add my link tree. So I'm just going to add it. So linktree.com/boss Now this is where you get all my links, so nothing again. So this is also video watermark. This video watermark is, maybe you want to, what is going to be by the side of your video. It could be a subscribe button. So let us even download something. YouTube watermark, YouTube watermark subscribe, so that anyone that is watching the video will just see subscribe. So we'll just search it here and we'll just maybe download anyone that is good. So maybe we'll look at this, it looks good, we'll just download it, save as. All right, let's just save it like this. Then we'll go over to the channel back, then we'll just click on upload, then click on this upload. Yes, so anybody that is watching your video will just see this at the end, or the entire video, or custom starts, or maybe at the start of your videos and all. So this is how it will be. It's called a YouTube watermark. So so the person is going to see it maybe from the 10th minute, you understand. So this is how I've set it. This is setting up of our channel. So the next thing we need to do is the banner, which we have not created yet, we'll create later. So that is also, let's also check what the recording says. So it said visit, create a channel and all. So the next thing you need to do, open YouTube Studio, which we've done, set up the link, description and watermark. Then the next thing is to set keywords and upload defaults. How are we going to do that? So let's set keywords and upload default. So let's check where we are going to get that. Set keywords and upload defaults. So we are going to go over to settings and we are going to go over to upload defaults. First, since we came to settings, we can just change it to what? Naira. Let's also change it to Naira. So Naira is NGN. And you also go to channel. Where is your channel residence? You can put Nigeria if you're in Nigeria, depending on which country you're from. So I'm going to be putting Nigeria. So this is the keyword. So this is a lifestyle channel. You know, what are the keywords that are going to be here? The keywords are Boss Uzi, comma. You're going to use comma and separate the words. Then lifestyle, comma. You use always comma and separate it. A day in my life, comma. And you use tech. I also want to talk about tech. I also want to talk about money making, comma. I also want to rant here, rants, comma. I also want to give up tips and tricks, comma. Okay, comma. How how to make money, comma, online business, comma. So this is what we are going to do for now. We'll just save. Then the next thing is, after you're done saving, go back to that place again, then go back to upload default. What is upload default? So upload default is unlisted. Then tags, what are the tags that you want whenever you want to upload your videos? So just make sure your tags are maybe Boss Uzi, comma, how to, comma, and all. I think that'll be that for now. So permission is, for now, is going to be this person, community moderator and all. So all these ones are, you don't have, there's no need for that now, so you just save. So let's also go back to our place again. So set up your channel, banner, keyword. Now YouTube verify, www.youtube.verify why signed in. You know, this, if you're a new person, unlock longer videos. Okay, enter number. Okay, when you verify your number, you can actually unlock longer videos, thumbnail, live streaming and all. So beautiful. So the next thing you need to do is to create, upload your first video. So uploading your first video, if you have any video, this is how you're going to do it. So let's see if we can upload our first video. Our first video is going to come here. Now I think we changed our name of our we changed the name of our channel. Why is it still showing? Okay, let's publish. So imagine when you're done doing all these things, you need to publish, you understand? So I'm going to use the default English. So order channel name. Okay, I don't think we need this one. I don't think we need it. So when you finish doing all these things here, you can see we did not publish it. That's why the name has not changed. So I'm going to click on publish. So the name is going to change automatically very soon. Yeah, very good. You can see Life of Boss Uzi, it has changed. If I go back to if I refresh it, you see the name has changed. Oh, why is it not changing yet? Customize Life of Boss Uzi. Yes, it will change. Maybe it just need some more little time to synchronize. Or let me refresh. Life of Boss Uzi, it has already changed. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to content. If you want to upload your first video, then this is how to do that. You click on upload. Yeah, when you click on upload, you find the file you want to upload, then you just click on it and upload. So currently we don't have any video, but let us see whether we can upload maybe a banner or something. Let's see whether we can upload a banner. So let's also see whether we can upload maybe a banner, just something. We don't have things here, so maybe I can just upload an announcement, just something like this. So it's invalid upload, you understand? So invalid upload because we are clicking on video, but we can, since we don't have video, we can upload a post. So there's an option to create post, so we are going to upload a post. So okay, this community isn't available yet, it's not available for us here. So that is exactly how to open a YouTube channel. Very simple. So let's see other things like this. So the checklist is very simple. Let's go through the checklist. Created a Google account, created a channel, verified your number, do this one, that is photo, banner, watermark added, description and link, keywords, uploading your first video. Unfortunately, we are not uploading our first video right now because we are not ready. So in the next videos, you're going to see how we can actually scale our YouTube channel. With that being said, Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you on the next video.